Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know that we have a class coming to Bismarck, North Dakota. This is going to be on June 16th, and it's open to all business owners. But a big bonus item for real estate agents that are licensed in North Dakota, you're going to earn 6 hours of CE credit for the day. Now let's take a look at what we're going to be doing that day. We are going to start in the morning, and it's going to be a class from 9 to 12, and this is going to be something that's all about Google. We're going to show you how to use Google My Business. We're going to show you how to use Google Local Guides, Google MyMaps. All of these tools, number one, are free. And I have business owners all across the United States and Canada that are making an extra $100,000 annually from using these tools. Then we're going to take our lunch break. We're going to come back at 1 o'clock, and from 1 to 4, 7 ways to grow your business in 2021. I've been training business owners now for over 20 years and I have all these great techniques that I've been sharing with them for the past 20 years. These are all located on my website. We're going to walk through some of the 7 most powerful things that you can do for your business right here, right now. This class, oh yeah, by the way, this is a hands-on workshop. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet, bring your phones. You're going to have time right there in the class to apply the techniques that I'm training you to start to build your business right then and there. So I look forward to seeing everybody on site June 16th in Bismarck, North Dakota. We do have a virtual option for those that do want to join us virtually. All you got to do is click the link below to purchase your ticket for either on site or in person. We'll see you soon. Thanks.